Hey team, just another unboxing. Here we have the Baratza Vario W, which just stands for Wade, or like Wade shot. So again, yeah, you just want to open it up. These can be a bit tricky, so if you tip them on the side, just give it a yank. I made that look easy. Just pull the top off. You've just got your little instructions and warranties, so just keep that, otherwise that box can go. And in this one, we just have the grinder. Just be a bit careful because it seems like they want to like fall out a bit, so just make sure you're careful with it. And then in this side, you just have the hopper. And the dosing chamber. Alright, yeah, so this is just to, this tool here is just to use to remove your top burr, so you don't really need to use it at the moment. Then we have a micro adjustment tool, which is just here. And the main thing you got to worry about is your hopper, and then when your hopper goes in, you just want to line it up, the two holes, give it a twist, and then you got open and close just on the other side. Open and close, and then you got the lid. And if you are interested in getting one of these, you can pick one up from our Welly store, or Auckland, or online at vario.co.nz. Enjoy!